Deep in the heart of damp forests, away from human civilization, lies a world teeming with life, some of it glowing in the dark. This natural phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is not just limited to fireflies or deep-sea creatures. Certain fungi have mastered this art too. These glowing fungi are among nature's most mysterious and awe-inspiring spectacles, lighting up forest floors and decaying wood with an eerie, ethereal glow. What are bioluminescent fungi? Bioluminescent fungi, also called foxfire or fairy fire, refer to specific fungal species that emit light. The glow is produced by a chemical reaction involving luciferin, a light-emitting molecule, and luciferase, an enzyme that catalyzes the reaction. When these two combine in the presence of oxygen, the fungi produce light. This light can range from a soft greenish hue to bluish tones, giving the surrounding environment an otherworldly glow. There are over 100 known species of bioluminescent fungi, most of which belong to the Mycena and Armillaria genera. These fungi thrive in moist, decaying wood and organic matter, often appearing in forests, especially in tropical and temperate regions. Some well-known species include Mycena chlorophyos, Armillaria mellia, honey fungus, and Pinellus stypticus, bitter oyster. Why do fungi glow? The precise reasons why fungi produce light remain a topic of scientific debate, but several hypotheses have emerged over time. One popular theory is that the light attracts insects, which help disperse the fungal spores. Much like flowers rely on bees for pollination, bioluminescent fungi may use insects to help spread their spores across a wider area. Another theory suggests that the light serves as a defense mechanism, deterring animals or insects that might otherwise feed on the fungi. The glow could signal that the fungus is toxic or unpalatable. Some researchers believe the glow is simply a byproduct of the fungi's metabolic processes, with no particular evolutionary advantage. It's possible that the luciferin-luciferase reaction helps detoxify certain harmful compounds in the fungi. Where can you find bioluminescent fungi? Bioluminescent fungi can be found across the world, with the highest concentration in tropical forests. The Brazilian Amazon, for instance, is home to numerous glowing fungi species. Japan, North America, Australia, and Southeast Asia also boast species that light up their forests. For those hoping to see these fungi in action, the best time to observe them is during the wet season when the damp conditions are ideal for fungal growth. However, spotting them isn't always easy. Their glow is often faint and only visible in the pitch darkness of night, making it a rare but magical experience for those lucky enough to witness it. Scientists have been studying bioluminescent fungi for decades, but new technologies have allowed for more detailed investigations. One area of interest is the potential application of bioluminescence in biotechnology. Researchers are exploring how the light-producing enzymes from fungi can be used in medicine, environmental monitoring, and even as sustainable lighting sources. For example, synthetic biologists have been experimenting with inserting bioluminescent genes into plants to create glowing trees, which could one day serve as natural streetlights. Other potential applications include bioluminescent markers in medical diagnostics, or using the glowing enzymes to detect pollution levels in water and soil. Bioluminescent fungi remain a glowing mystery, lighting up the dark corners of our world, one forest at a time.